So the plan today is to use our product files that are inside our Shopify store and create a reel for social media. So we've got a great free or series of free templates that we can use, but this is particularly eye-catching. We're going to have to modify this and have it parallel our own brand. So we're going to swap out the text. We're going to put in our own logo, and you'll see that obviously we'll need to change the coloring to completely align with our brand guidelines. That is matching, and that looks great. We now are scrolling through the products from our store. Got it in there. That looks great. And so we just want to, again, position this. All right, this is looking lovely. We also need to put in our brand website, so freshskincare.com. And it is looking excellent. And now we can upload this into our social media.